The One Size Advanced Starter Pack comes with one duet diaper shell with insert, one cover diaper shell with insert, one 4-night pre-fold, and one hem booster. Both duet and cover diapers fit babies from 5 to 15 kgs or approximately from 3 months to 3 years. They have 4 rise settings in the front and 5 columns of snaps on each side of the wing. While the duet shell will need to be washed after every use, the cover diaper shell can be air dried and reused if the baby hasn't done potty. This makes the cover diaper shell more economical. Both shells will keep your baby comfortable, but they give slightly different fits since they are shaped differently. By trying one of each, you can find the one more suited to your baby. The duet insert is a 2-part insert made of hemp and cotton terry and topped with Stay Dry microfleece on the larger part. You can use a single part for a younger baby or a shorter period of time. Use both parts for nights or for babies older than 6 months. When both parts are used together, the insert lasts 3 to 4 hours during the day and 8 to 9 hours at night. It snaps to the shell at the back. Stay Dry Organic Cotton Insert is a long insert made of 7 layers of organic cotton topped with Stay Dry microfleece. You can fold the insert in half like this when you put the diaper on the baby. Depending on your baby's age and pee pattern, you can also have custom folds like this for baby boys who need more absorbency in the front, or like this for baby girls who need more absorbency towards the center. The insert lasts 3 to 4 hours during the day and 7 to 8 hours at night. It snaps to the shell at the back. The 4-night pre-fold can be used with both our duet and cover diaper shells, just like all our other one-size diaper inserts. The 4-night pre-fold was made specially for night usage with maximum absorbency and maximum trimness. It has 4 panels with 4 layers of organic cotton in each panel, with an additional layer of hemp on one panel for that power-packed absorbency. It is also lined with Stay Dry microfleece on the top panel to keep your baby dry through the night. It snaps to the back of duet and cover diaper shells. The hem booster can be used as a trim addition to any cloth diaper to increase absorbency. It has 3 layers of our special pre-prepped hemp fabric, meaning that it can be used right after one wash with full absorbency. It can be placed underneath the insert in any diaper like this. It increases absorbency by 2 to 3 hours at night and about 1 to 2 hours during daytime.